Hello. Speaking about wind. Wow. Zot. What the fuck? Whoa. That's awesome, man. Dude, that's so fucking awesome. That is so awesome. Oh. Nice, dude. That is so awesome. Actually, you can see the wind blowing much better here. Yeah. You know why? There you see the branches and the light. And so you can see when the branch is moving and when the wind is blowing hard. Don't mind that. Come on, I want to see that tree cracks down. I want to see that tree cracks down. You know what I mean? Now. Please, now. Yes. Yeah, you see that silhouette of me? Lol. Lol. I don't know if you're gonna see the branches of the tree. It's going wild. I hope so. That would be awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Ja, nice. Den boom, de wind loft erin. Kerel, zot kerel. wind. Jesus, wind. Here are we back again, like we were last night, you know what I mean? Check that wind. Check that wind. Check that tree. Klik de verlengde herfst. Shit. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You know what I mean? A little bit of in zooming. We're gonna see the tree move. Yeah, nice. Awesome, that tree is just floating. Oh, check that girl. Oh ja, whoa. Check that sign moving. Wow. Whoa. Zot kerel. Dat is weer heel een flippen kerel. Oh. Kom aan, beweegt. Ja, lekker. Zotte storm kerel. Wow. Fuck that, niet normaal. Check die boom kerel. Niet doen. Haha, niet doen. Niet doen. Niet doen. Haha, niet gewend kerel, echt. That's the reason I like weather. It's always sometimes severe. Like now. What the fuck? Whoa. Shit. He's almost falling down, man. It is almost like he's falling down. Jesus.